the great New York mound of hydrangeas. I came with a formula of 5 around the base, 4 in the middle, and 3 up on top. So I've got the lower deck done already. Notice they're not straight out, they're kind of tilted out. If I had a lot of hydrangeas, I could do them straight out and build up, but I don't, I have a budget. Now I'm gonna do these, that plus an inch, and lay in my top works. And no, you can design in even or odd numbers all day long, that does not matter. Now look at how I'm adjusting it into an igloo. Bada boom, bada bing, that easy. And then, right on top sits the cherry. A little bit longer, not much. Maybe add another inch or 2 on from the original design and pop it right in the middle. Kaboom. Now I'm gonna take some roses. And any place I might have a hole, I'm gonna fill it in with these roses, and you'll have one big powder puff, I call it, of a wedding design at your table. I wanted to take me 3 minutes. If I had to do my own wedding or my daughter's wedding, this is the one I would do. Flowerschool101.com. You learn this and everything else you need to know about how to be a flower designer. It's about time you change careers. You don't like your job anyway. Let's clear the runway. Let's show it off. People always ask me if I use Lazy Susans. I say no. But today I am.